Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80240066 while installing any apps in your Windows machine. Now, the first step, what I would suggest you to do is to toggle the developer mode on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on system tab. Under system tab, you will have to scroll down and look for the for developer option. Click on this. Under the developer mode, make sure you use this toggle button to turn on the developer mode. And in case if you get this prompt, you may go ahead and click on yes. Once this is done, turn it off, close this window, and then try to open Microsoft Store and see if you are able to install any applications on your computer. Now, in case if you are able to install any application, well and good. You don't have to try the next step. Now, the next method is to go ahead and repair and reset Microsoft Store on your computer. To do this, in the search box, you may go ahead and type Microsoft Store. In the search box, you may go ahead and type Microsoft Store. Now, once you have the best match for Microsoft Store, you may go ahead and do a right click and then click on app settings. Once you're on the app settings, which is for system component, you can go ahead and scroll down under this section and then click on terminate. That is to end all the Microsoft Store processes on the computer, and then click on repair. So with this, it will go ahead and repair your Microsoft Store on your computer. Wait until the reset is complete or the repair is complete. Once the repair is complete, you will have to go ahead and click on reset. Now, when you click on reset, please keep in mind that when you try to launch Microsoft Store after the reset, it might prompt you to enter your Microsoft account username and password. So please make sure to keep these information handy when you're trying to launch Microsoft Store. So click on reset. Wait until the reset is complete. Once the reset is complete, you can go ahead and close this window and then try to launch Microsoft Store and check if your issue's been resolved. Check if you're able to install any application. Now, in spite of all this, if you're still facing a problem, the next method is to go ahead and install the updates, available updates for your computer. To do this, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update, the extreme bottom, and then click on check for the updates. This will go ahead and check for the available updates which are available to be installed on the computer. In case if there are any updates to be installed on the computer, go ahead and install those updates, close this application, and then try to launch Microsoft Store, install the application, and check if you are able to install the application. In case if you're able to install the application, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now, the next method is to go ahead and run the SFC scan on your computer to check if there are any system files for corruption and also to repair. To do this, you will have to open the command prompt on your computer. Go to the search box and type command prompt. You will see the best match for command prompt. Do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. On the command prompt, you will have to run the command sfc /scan now to run the sfc scan and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will try to run the execute the command and check if there are any corruption within your Windows. Once the SFC scan is completed, you may close this window and restart your computer and then try to open Microsoft Store and install the application, and this should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.